Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a unicorn eating ice cream. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a unicorn's face, starting with her eyes. Her eyes are closing. Then, I draw her ears and her mane like this. I draw her horn. I continue with her mouth that is eating. Then I draw her body, draw her hands. Her hands are holding an ice cream. I draw her legs like this. She is sitting. Draw her tail and her mane. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use pink to paint her cheeks. Then I color an ice cream brown and dark yellow. Oh, this is a chocolate ice cream. So yummy. Then I color this part pink. I color her ears and this heart pink too. Now I'm going to color her mane with light purple. Yellow. And sky blue. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.